Hi, whilst Dragon Metal's here, today I'll be showing you how to make a small twisted bracelet. Very easy to make, you can make dozens of these in not many minutes, made out of scrap copper. I'll be showing you how to make that. Shouldn't take long at all. Try and get a good angle for you. There's one I made earlier. First part, you'll need a quite long length of copper, several inches. First thing, twist your starting loop, make it quite small. Single twist, secure it, and then continue all down the length. Hold it with both hands, try and get a nice even coil all the way around. You can do this thinner or longer. Depending if you want a tighter weave or more spread out. More like a DNA helix or something like that. That sort of kind of spiral. Doesn't take long to form at all. Just carry on going until you reach your desired length. You can make these extremely long, so you can make necklaces and such out of them. You can also use the eye hooks that I showed previously to secure them. Or you can make the hook on the bracelet itself, or necklace. If you're trying to save copper, or you want just a single piece jewellery rather than multiple pieces. You can do this much quicker with a screwdriver, electric screwdriver or some such, Dremel, which will spin the entire copper length into a spiral. But that will give you less control. And it may be a bit too much torque and you might rip the copper to pieces. That can also happen. Right, this is quite long now, as you can see. You want to see if it'll fit round your wrist first. That's more than big enough. That's quite large in fact. So we'll cut that. Little V there. Now get that loop that you made in the beginning, place it over the V and then close that up. Just twist the V like so. Try not to break the copper though while doing this. Nice and secure. Now you'll want to cut the sharp end off there also, and then crimp that out of the way with the skin, so you don't scratch yourself. You can just do that by tucking it inside the loop and closing this loop here. Just crimp it with a pair of pliers or tweezers, whatever you're using. Get a nice form on the bracelet so it doesn't bend as much. You can also use a guide for this, you don't have to do it freehand. And there's a nice bracelet there, or a small necklace I guess. My hand's quite big though, so actually just about fits on me. Anyway, there's a copper bracelet, very quick to make. See you next time.